So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. Today is a beautiful day and I hope that your day went well. I hope you have a blissful day. So today guys, I bring us a new airdrop that is trending, a new airdrop that is confirmed, a new airdrop that is going to make us a lot of money. So the name of this airdrop is called MyGate Network. And the most exciting part of all of this is because of the partners that are actually partnering with this current project is what is making it exciting, is what is making it so fantastic. So without any further ado guys, let's get into it. Remember guys, always to subscribe, like and comment so that the channel will grow. And guys, remember, as a disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes, so help me do your own due diligence and do your own research. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So what do we do from here? What you're going to do is click on here that says join. So welcome is going to ask you to sign in with your Google, that's your email address, which as we all know by now, we should have been familiarized with how it works. So you clicked on it. Boom, you are just in it. Automatically you are in it. So the first thing is going to ask you to download the Google Chrome extension. Remember guys, it's what we've always been doing for quite long, so I believe we know how to do. So the next thing is to click where it says download, and it's going to pop out to a new. So the next thing you do is get the extension, which is the most important thing, so that you can use it to farm the points that will be given to you. So it's already been downloaded, so I'm going back. So currently now I'm done because I've done the most basic part. So I'm going to come here and then click on it here and then click on login. So it's going to ask me, since I've already signed in, so I'm just clicking on this one, so automatically it's going to optimize, and boom, that's all. I've already signed into the so as we can see here it is. So yes, so here it is. So I'm going to click here that says click to claim your reward. So boom, now these are few taxes that you need to do to help you earn more points. It's very simple, it's very easy. Now remember, all you need to do here is, let me go with this one. So I'm going to follow their X account, which will give me more options, which I've done. And then I'm just, all you need to do is, once you've clicked on it, then you click on verify. That's just all. So you click on verify. Let me close some of these tags. Okay, since we are done with this one. So it's going to, remember guys, automatically now we are already currently now we are farming it because it's there. So you see, that's all the most important part of it, because now we are actually farming. So as we can see, we can now go back here. This is the home page. It's as simple as that. So this is the guideline on how to farm, or how you're going to go about to farm. So this is just a simple thing, the demonstration of what we just did. Logged in, and then you're going to visit it, sign in with your email address, follow us on X, which that's what we're actually doing now. So that's how you're going to get your points, your today's points, and then season and how all of that. So that's just what is actually trying to tell us here. So follow here, which we've already done it, but let me just do it again. So as we can see here, we've already followed them. So let's go back here, which I believe is supposed to have given us our reward. So let me try to reboot and see. Let me close some of these tabs that we are no longer using. We close them. Yes. So you see here, currently now he's telling me one node. So which means currently now is mining based on this node. So you can click on it to manage it, which as you can see here, it is showing me and it's telling me good, which means it's currently now is mining for me with no any issues. So I'm going back here. This is the page. This is where your data and every information will be displayed, including the points that you've mined. This is where to show you if you're actually connected, if your Chrome extension is connected and is active. And then this is where you see to perform few taxes that you'll be able to get one or two things. Like here now, I've already done, so you see that finally it has ticked because I've followed them. And so you can do all of this, secure your first qualified referral and other stuff that you can do in it for you to be able to get points. And so, and here it is. So so you can see this is your referral code. You can take it, share it with loved ones so that they can join as early as possible. And just guys, that's just how simple it is. That's just all. And so here is going to show you your level. That's the progress that you have, the progress of your level, which level you are now. So let me do this. Let me try something. Yes, let me try this and see, because I'm expecting it to have gone up, but I'm not seeing it. But however, it has proven that I have. So let me see this here. Download Mrs. Browser. This is another extension, but mostly purposely is usually done for mobile phone, for those who use mobile phone. So this is another method. This is another means that you can be able to use if you don't have laptop. You can use Mrs. Browser for you to be able to farm this point. It's just as simple as that, and that's just what I want to share with you guys. I'm going to put my referral link in the description below. Click on it and register so that you can start farming as early as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a comment so that you can help the channel grow. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye for now.